sometimes I'll get this video thing out and, hey, can you see me? But you can't. I'll wake up and I'll just like say, hey, wouldn't it be cool if I just YOLO in the dark, or tell jokes in the dark? And I just say for this one, and it's really this idea is the let me give you the backstory for this idea of what this is about. This is a portrayal of advertisements you might hear on the TV 50 years from now, all kind of non-congratulatory 90s style, more 2000 style, that is being heard, told to the left, and being told that I didn't know when, but they don't care. They want your money. And really what you need to do is realize that, well, fuck it. I'm just going to do the impersonation. And I'll say, everybody needs somebody sometime. But you see, what we need is we need a little bit of music right now. Because I'm a DJ. I'm a DJ that's doing a really bad Miss Piggy impersonating a human. But it doesn't work, does it not? So, I'm gonna switch over to an English voice because it makes more sense to be talking like this if you're in English. So, I was thinking, would it be better if in the future we had the capacity to have disco balls that special mobile devices for holding your disco ball when you want to take your disco someplace else than home, or the subway system. You want your disco ball to go with you someplace, and so there's special kettles that we would use to make sweet kernel corn. You call it kettle corn. We can stick your disco ball in the kettle when not using. Just be sure not to have your disco balls inside the kettles when they are being waxed. I know that lots of people listen to music from this era. And I just dropped the shit I was recording with. So, I sure hope as hell I don't dive forward and break my bones and hit my forehead full on green rag band. The rag band burns the fuck out of my face, which is not what I want. What I want to do is sing that song. Don't say that some not available instead of nasty bitches looking at for the number one guy. There's stars. It's paradise. We're gonna looking for us who like girls, who like boys, who like girls, who like boys, like girls, that try to street boys that try to make girls. There's always someone you really like, you know. There's always someone. You see, girls who like boys, they like boys to be girls, to be boys that would be boys if they were thinking they'd be boys, but they don't want to be boys, they want to be girls. And the girls that want to be girls, that doesn't make any sense. Girls that want to be like boyish girls, being like girlish boys. Fuck it. Okay, there we go. That's my impersonation. I don't know. I do this better in the dark because, you know, I don't have any attire to associate with it, but, you know. There you go.